Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on our RV camper, our fifth wheel with no title, with the title, without it, who knows. Anyway, so today we're gonna try to take this thing apart. You know, last time we got the slides to work, right?
Yep.
We got them to move. Well, we're gonna take everything apart, we're gonna clean it up inside, then we're gonna probably fix the roof a little bit on the both sides, maybe check out the awning, and check everything out, make sure it's good. Also, we gotta fix that leg over there.
Yeah.
Either order a new one or fix it, who knows. So we got a lot of work ahead of ourselves, so let's go ahead and get straight to work, knock this thing out, and hopefully get it sold. So we are gonna have to get a new battery, but right now we got a jump box. They did cut the cable end, so we have to figure that out. But just for now, we're gonna connect all this stuff.
Need power?
Get all the awnings to work. Let's see if there's a light in here. Oh,
Should be, I don't know if... Oh, okay. That's
so we
good.
got power. Let's go inside and get the slides to work.
Open it up. This thing's got 3 slides or 4 slides? I think 4 slides.
3.
3 slides, yeah. And what a drop. Big old stairs. Get that cleaned up. We got tires to get out. Spare tire for the truck. You got power, Ivan?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. We got room back there? Not gonna hit our neighbor?
But I don't know where the lights are.
Should be another light switch maybe when you walk up.
It's got a water pump.
That's good. No generator or anything like that on this one.
But the slide goes out so smooth.
Yeah, it's got that new cable system.
It's kind of noisy.
Oops. Probably that little clamp up top.
The couch fell off of it.
Uh-huh. This is the big slide out.
What's this one?
Coming right out. Definitely opening up to like a family room here. You got a bed. Kind of a mess, but we'll clean it up. So you found a light switch? Oh yeah. Sweet. And we got the kitchen area. So it's got a big old island. Oh yeah. Crazy how much weight those things could hold. You know, you got the refrigerator, tables, but no worries. Hidden compartments. There's a little fuse box down there. I don't know. Ever check that one out, Ivan?
No, we didn't. We couldn't get to it.
Yeah, we couldn't get to it. So now that we have the slide out fully extended, we just made sure the slide outs were working, but oh yeah. Looking good. No signs of corrosion. Nice. That's awesome.
Big master.
And then the master bed. So we just gotta clean up. Looks like we got LED lights hanging out, refrigerator parts. This thing got shooken up a little bit for sure. I feel bad even walking with my shoes on, guys. It's so clean in here. Except for all the stuff everywhere, but that door's locked. Which is good and bad. I mean, it's nice that the master bedroom actually has a door that can lock. Most campers don't. Now I gotta figure out how to get in there. Fun, fun, fun. Slide outs do come out pretty far, I would say. It's nice to have a window right there. Pretty sweet. So you got the cable tracks. Big old slide on this side. Working like a champ. Sprinter. Never really heard of this brand before, but so far I'm really impressed. Aftermarket coupling right there. Road armor. Pretty cool. Little upgrades. Another window. Yeah, they could add another slide right here, but I guess 3 isn't enough. So what we're gonna do is just clean this up, take all the trash off. I mean, we got ourselves a dustpan right there and a broom. Just get a trash bag, clean up, put everything back how it is. I'll show you a little before and after. And honestly, it's gonna look so much better already. We got a little nail gun, finish rail, put that back, put that couch back, and just see what it looks like. Putting a little bit of effort into it, putting it back where everything belongs. and figure out how to get into the master bedroom. That'd be nice. On a ride. Got Ivan fixing the little closet. Those things always pop out, so putting that back together. I'm gonna work on the trim. Got my tools together. A little finished nail gun, a little staple gun, a little caulking gun, and just kind of fix the little trim pieces. Shouldn't be a big deal. And once we get it all back together, we'll be ready to get this thing cleaned up. Just looking for power to it, so make sure all the units are working. These are electric couches, pretty sweet recliners. Bluetooth's working, I was using that. But I'm just gonna test out the AC unit, make sure the fridge is working, heat, all that good stuff. But for now, let's just get these trim pieces done. Alright guys, like that, trim work is done and looking great. Went around, even if I miss a spot, probably catch it later, so I still have my tools pretty close, but now I just got some cleaning supplies, actually found some inside. I'll go ahead and wipe it all down and get this thing cleaned up. Found a bunch of towels and rags. Oh yeah, why not? Get this thing looking good again. Already looks so much better. I mean, honestly, I think we got a great deal. So far everything seems legit, but need to vacuum it up. A little dirty. But let's go ahead and get this thing cleaned up.
And just like that, little camera magic, this thing's all cleaned up. Beautiful, guys. Check it out. This thing cleaned up very nice. It is a 2021, so basically brand new. Great place for somebody to live. I mean, you got your control panel right there. Wiped it down and, ooh, looks great. Pretty awesome room. This is basically 2 beds right there that pulls out. You got your entertainment system. You got actually a massage chair. So you hit that button, you can recline, massage for both sides. Both great condition, very clean. I like how the little bar right there. You can put your drinks and stuff. Overall kitchen space is very nice. A great layout. So whoever designed this did a good job. I mean, for a couple, it's perfect. You got everything that you need. Shower, bathroom, sink, lights. Of course you need some lights. But yeah, cleaned up really nice. Not bad. Let's go on to the master bedroom. Got all your essentials there. Let's go ahead and turn the lights on. And yeah, look at that, guys. Very nice, very clean, very modern. I love the gray color everywhere. In that closet, you actually have a washer and dryer hookup. So plenty of space for all your stuff. But yeah, man, check out that poster though. That's crazy. A C8, what a coincidence. What a sign.
So I actually went and plugged this thing in. So now our refrigerator is working. Set 42, looks great. Pretty sweet fridge for sure. You got the dual freezers going on. I think it's nice. Pretty cool. Happy about that. Got my control board working, my little fireplace on, TV works, Bluetooth speakers going. So these chairs actually have a massaging feature inside of them. So you hit the button, and oh yeah, you could recline. Sweet. Get a massage going, turn the little LED lights on, and just hang out. This is awesome. Only problem is so far I can't get the heat to work, so I'm gonna look into that a little deeper. This is the controller right here. So fan, dry, cool, and go heat, and it says F for fault, so I definitely need to look into that. Vent, you could open it up. Pretty sweet. Close that up. I got my oven slash stove. Pretty cool. Turn that on. And boom, just like that. And they're all working. It's pretty cool. Sweet. So that's nice. But like I said, let's go ahead and try to figure out our heater and see why that's not working. So we're out here. It's all washed, looking good. Got a little wet. Even the weather's kind of wet, but looking inside of here, so basically that's the exhaust, so that'll be our heater. Here guys, you can see there's a little corrosion or dirt or on this box, and it's not turning on. Luckily I have another parts one. Hopefully I'll just swap it out. Probably take that one apart, check it out. So I'll go ahead and take it out, look at it, if not, replace it. All right, guys, so that came out pretty easy. There's 2 bolts in the back, and then that just kind of slid right out. I disconnected my gas, made sure my gas was off first, but you could tell there's a little corrosion right there. So let's go ahead and get this out, and I can take the top off, and if not, like I said, I have one, and I'll just replace it. Alrighty, just like that, got it out. Really not complicated at all. Literally just get the propane line, little brackets down there, snip some wires, good to go. So it looks like the water is coming on top. Really weird. You could tell some corrosion happened right there. So I am gonna take this panel off, dig a little deeper, see what's going on. Good news, I have another one. Bad news, it looks different. So very similar, the same idea, but it's a different make and model. So I don't know, I don't see a reset switch on this one at all. I might just take this one apart too, maybe get some parts out of it, but I don't know, it's kind of hard to tell. Let's just take it apart, see what happens. I mean, overall, the circuit board looks really good. No water corrosion on there. Don't see any puffing or anything like that. Motor looks fine. A little dirty, but not bad at all. Honestly, it's just like that reset switch right here. Looks like the only thing that got bad, so maybe I'll just replace that guy and see what happens. You can definitely tell this switch is bad. Check out that corrosion, but it feels like it just, the water connections are like right here on top, so maybe it's something leaked and just got my switch bad. I don't know, because other than that, underneath looks really good. My other panels, stuff underneath it looks fine, but the switch on top looks bad, so it's kind of weird. Let's see if we can find another switch or figure this out. And just got like that, got myself a new switch. I guess I didn't have to take this whole thing out, but oh well, it wasn't too bad. Let's go ahead and plug it back in together and see if it works. I mean, just gotta do my wires, my gas on, see if it turns on. So back inside, let's go ahead and check out our thermostat. Hopefully this time, no fault code. Still got a fault. You guys can see that or not, but yeah, it still says fault and there's a little chilly in here, but it's kind of weird because even when I came into this camper, all the vents were taped off. So every single one of those floor vents was taped with that blue tape. And I was like, I wonder what that's all about. So maybe he had issues before, and instead of cold air coming in, just kind of blocked it off and used the other heater and stuff. So who knows? It's hard to say. But overall, man, what a beautiful camper. So I probably just have to replace that entire box altogether. It might not be just a switch or something else going on to it. It was really easy to get to, so it shouldn't be a big deal. And replace that later. Or the right one. But yeah, looking good. Pretty sweet camper. I'm really happy with it. No smell, nothing even like hinting for water flood. Just some storm damage outside. Well, that's basically our camper right there, that fifth wheel. We got it cleaned out inside, washed it, fixed the leg on it, worked onto the inside. Basically everything works except for that heater box, which I probably have to replace, but no big deal. Overall, this thing is massive and looks beautiful for sure. Pulling something down the road like that, oh yeah, makes heads turn for sure, but look at it. Oh, I love it. This 2021 Sprinter Limited is definitely sick. I mean, yes, they salvaged out to the storm damage and you could tell it still has some storm damage, but overall, I think that's basically where we're gonna keep it as right there. I don't know if we're gonna do anything else to it. You could see some scuffs and, you know, tree marks on it for sure, but overall, not bad condition, not bad. I think we got a good deal on it and there's still definitely worth a lot of money. All the slide outs work, all the connections are there. Great camper. All right, everybody, so like I said, great camper. I think it was a great buy. There are good deals out there. A lot of people texting me, hey Mike, should I play in this camper? Should I buy this RV? I'm like, honestly, it's still a gamble without looking at it because you do get that swelling and the salt water definitely corrodes everything. But I still think there are good deals out there. If you just do your legwork, do your research, go out there, check it out and shop around. But it is hard because some sublots won't even let you inside to preview the vehicles. So it is a gamble, but hey, no risk, no reward, I guess. Some buddies of mine did buy an RV and drove it home, so that's pretty crazy. But, you know, it's part of the game. Sometimes you gotta gamble a little. But that's basically a wrap for this RV. I mean, honestly, I think, like I said, it turned out fantastic. Couldn't be happier that we made it home safely, towing this thing. I think somebody's gonna really love it. We're gonna let it go. I think it would be a good flip. But thanks for watching, guys. Leave some comments down below if you think it was a good buy, bad buy, if we should get another camper, or if we should just stay away from campers. Love your feedback. Thanks for watching. Leave some comments. Make sure to subscribe. Catch you next time.